sharp 1979 Pontiac Trans Am. Nice looking car in Starlight Black, which would have been the original color of this car, as well as the interior black cloth buckets in the interior. One of the things about this that you'll notice a little different than some of the other Trans Ams we've gotten in here before, but the Phoenix, or the bird on the hood here, this here is actually painted, and very sharp, nice job. I'll kind of try to get over the top of it here so you can get an idea how it looks, but yeah, pretty cool. Does have a little spider webbing. The front fascia was bumped up here, but it looks like with a little repaint, a little bit of reconditioning on it, could bring her back to just like new. It's not really cracked or anything, just kind of stressed in the spider webbing there. This particular car does have the 6.6 liter in it underneath the hood. It also has power steering, power brakes, and is a factory AC car. It appears that the components and everything are hooked up on that. If you want to check out the still pictures, so you can take a look underneath the hood, check out those still pics of the engine bay, interior, underside of the car, trunk. The still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. The other thing, check out the data tag is in the pictures also. This is the CC1, which would have been the Fisher T-tops. So it does have the CC1 T-top option. I'm going to get a little glare because it's morning here and the sun's starting to come through that window pretty good. As you can see, the aluminum louvers, the rear of it. Overall, it says it's a nice driver, quality car. Paint's in pretty decent shape all the way around it, except for, of course, up in that bumper where I showed you at the beginning. Otherwise, has a nice luster to it. Again, I would consider it a nice driver, quality car. Interior, very nice shape. See the cloth seats, not ripped or torn. Odometer shows about 65,000 on us, which is believed to be original miles. I can't confirm or deny that because it doesn't stay in the title, but that's what the odometer reads. And kind of by looking at the underside, engine bay, interior, it wouldn't surprise me if that is original. Let's go ahead and start this car up also. See how easily it starts. Does have a tilt. See if we can read that odometer. There you go. It's 65,855. Little aftermarket Alpine cassette player, AM FM radio, little equalizer down below, automatic transmission, power windows, power locks. Let's put that glare off there again. As you can see, the dash is in nice shape. Appears that all the gauges work. Tachometer is not. Take a look at that again. It does not appear the tach works. Looks like the rest of them do. Slip around to the back so you can hear this car run. Door closes nicely. No crazy exhaust. Nothing heavily modified. Sounds like you'd expect out of a 6.6 liter V8 and a Pontiac Trans Am. Again, check out the still pictures. uniqueclassiccars.com, or again, feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726, or you can reach us. Maybe you get questions about transportation or anything about the car, feel free to call. I'm also going to pause this and pop that hood open so you can see how nice this engine bay looks and hear how smooth that engine runs too. Alright, got the engine bay popped, as you can see. Nice and tidy and neat, and also listen how smooth that engine runs. Feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726. Or again, check out the stills, uniqueclassiccars.com. 1979 Pontiac Trans Am and Starlight Black.